All right, factor polynomials using structure. So the question says factor completely. We have 9m squared plus 30mn plus 25n squared. All right, so I have that written down right here. So the first thing you want to do is go through and see if you can pull out any number out of all of them. 2 and 3 are the numbers I always start with. So 2, they are not all even. So 2 does not go into them. 3 goes into 9. 3 goes into 30. 3 does not go into 25. And then you can check 4. If it's 2 does not go into it, you for sure know 4 and any other even won't go. 5 does not. 7 does not. And then we've gotten to 9 at that point. So we cannot factor anything out of these numbers. So next thing I want to do is look at the first and the last number. I'll actually color code that. And we're going to square root them. Okay, so square root of 9m squared, we get 3m. That's going to be the first term of both of our binomials. Now, our last term, it's 5n. It's a square root of 25n squared. And we can go to this term right here, or not term, sign, and see it's plus, so they'll both be plus. We know this is true because if we did the box method, we would have 3m and 5n, 3m and 5n. We would get 9m squared. We would get 15mn, 15mn, and then 25n squared. Where these 15 equals 30, 9m squared is here, and 25n squared is there. So our answer is 3m plus 5n times the same thing. They, being con, will want us to answer it likely as a square root. Not square root, square. Like so. So we have 3m plus 5n. And we're right. Next question. So 49p8 plus 42p4 plus 9. So first thing we want to do is see if we can factor anything out of all of these. 2 does not go into 49. And 3 does not go into 49 as well. So we cannot, and then 9 does not go into either 42 or 49. So we cannot factor a number out of all of them. So now we're going to look at the first and the last term. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 49p8 is 7p4. And so our red is 3. And once again, our sign, our operator, is positive. So 7p4 plus 3 parentheses squared. All right, next question. All right, so this is a difference. So this is the difference of two squares. So we have 49q4 minus 4. So 2 does not go into 49, 3 does not go into 49, and 4 does not, actually 3 doesn't go into 4 either. So we can't factor a number out. We have a difference problem, and it's a binomial. So when you have a binomial and difference, you can just square root both the front and the back. And we get 7q squared as our first term, and 2 as our second term. And one's negative, one's positive. Difference of two squares. You have to memorize that. So we get 7q squared. Oops, did that too early. Minus 2. 7q squared plus 2. And that looks right. Question 4. All right, so it's a difference problem again. I'm just going to do it right here. So the square root of 36c squared is 6c. I'm going to do the plus first. Square root of 121 is 11. Square root of d squared is d. parentheses. Now we're going to do the same thing, 6c. This time it's minus 11d. And there we are. That's our answer. And we're done.